some of the woodpeckers, they can actually dart their tongue in, cling to the cage and dart their tongue in and still get seed. But for the most part, you're sacrificing your bigger birds to get rid of your starlings or thwart your starlings. And of course, you can have other feeders out as well, but this one will give the smaller birds a refuge away from the starlings that they can't hoard that seed. So a couple of different companies making the cage feeders, and those are actually good at keeping the starlings out. Now, the other part that we can use against them when we talk about the suspending the seed and their toes not being able to sustain them on soot feeders, also their weight we can work that against them in the counterbalance feeders or the weight feeders. So